In this video, I'm going to look at budget and cost management as part of the project management and change management discipline from a very different angle to what we normally think about. So when we think about cost and budget, we often think like money makes the world go round. It's all about money, money, money. But I'd like you to think about your budget more than just money. So it is obviously the funds that you put behind the project in order to achieve your quality outcome, but it is also the time and effort that you spend. So sometimes when you have more money available, you need to spend a little bit less effort, or if you have more manpower or people available or time available, you can do things for cheap. So think of it a little bit as a trade-off. And what I need you to understand that there's two different terminologies that we throw around in this area together. It's cost and budget, and they're slightly different, not quite the same. So your cost is all the money that you actually have as outgoing, so the actual money or time or effort spent in order to achieve your project outcome. And your budget is what you foresee you're going to spend. So it's your planned costs, so to speak. It is all the time, effort, or money that you budget towards your project, that you assign towards your project in order to make the project happen. So it is the approval that we get on the budget from our primary sponsor or our business owner that we seek in order to make things happen, and then our costs may actually be different to our forecast. Now, when we do set our budget in the initiation or planning phase, we go from a very high level indication to a clearer outline as to what we think each of the items or each of the activities or streams in our work breakdown will cost us, and that narrows it down a little bit, so it might actually shrink or blow up our initial budget estimate. Often we forget certain costs, so I'm just going to name a few for you to think about it when you go through your budget setting for the project, just so make sure that you're not just looking at the direct costs that are related to the end product. So when we look at budget, we might just look at this product. Let's say we're rolling out a new software, costs that much in licenses. But what we may forget is that yes, we're going to roll out this software, but we're going to have hundreds or thousands super users or end users that need to use this software. So we also need to budget for training. Maybe we need to budget for some communication. Maybe we need to budget for some marketing or posters that we're going to put around so people know this new software is coming. Maybe we need to budget for vendors to come up and roadshow or whatever. So some of the things we often forget are training, transport, licensing costs if they're not too open, any overhead costs, and some costs that budget that might be associated with team development. So because we have a new project team, you might need to spend a little bit in like team building or getting together or onboarding people as well. We might want to have a little bit of money set aside to reward extra effort, be able to splurge some of our stakeholders as well. So those are little things that I want you to think about when you do your budget, not just the ultimate cost of the end product, but also all the activities that need to happen in order to make that product a reality. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.